But I gave myself a name, and it's Orange Lyman. Maybe I should be a whale lover. I'm like really against people that kill whales.
Yep.
I enjoy making booger boats. I really need to sneeze now. Once he was like, "What do you want for Christmas?" And I was like, "Just some friends." And I watched a lot of porn. He couldn't quite grant me that wish. I enjoy masturbating. I like to dream a lot because that's the only time that things feel real. I like people alive because that means there's more chances of me having a best friend. I'd rather not have them die. I'm not short-tempered, I'm long-tempered. Long and hard-tempered. There you go.